Hello my friends, I'm Dog's storyteller. My stories must be told. I have many stories of saving dogs' life. Every day, I'm going to tell you a new one. Odin's a dog who was kept in awful conditions, chained and severely neglected. He spent his life outdoors all year round. Odin was hardly recognizable as a dog. He was severely underweight, with many heartworms and extremely broken teeth. He didn't resemble Alaskan malamute. This poor soul was rescued by the kind volunteers of Southern Pines Animal Shelter. They couldn't guess Odin's breed, and they knew that Odin is going to need a lot of time to recover. Quickly, they rushed him to the nearest hospital. Sydny was willing to take the dog and nurture him to health until he was ready to move to his forever home. Odin didn't even know how to act around humans. The dog was totally confused. He didn't know how to be happy for his new pain-free life. This pain has gone. Odin in safe place now, and no one would hurt him ever again. Now he knows how to love, and the vision and the trust in human is there. Please like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get a new videos update.